Hi, I'm Carolyn, and I am so excited about the holiday season. I want to share with you this salad that will surely impress any guests that you have this holiday season. It is so beautiful and tasty too. So let's go make it. All right, we have a pomegranate, a lemon, honey, black pepper, salt, pine nuts, and some olive oil. We're going to start with the pomegranate and we're going to remove the arils. I have a little fork that I'm removing them from, which I will not bore you in having you watch me take out all of these. Let's speed up the video a little bit. This recipe will be in the description of this video and where I found it as well, with a link so that you could get the same cookbook if you so desire. And there's a half a cup of the arils. And oh, look at that pumpkin bread. If you didn't see that video, I'm gonna link that above. And we're gonna go ahead and juice an entire lemon. And then we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a dish. And to that we're going to add our lemon juice. Next we're going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. Trying to get the honey off of my spoon. For salt and pepper you just sprinkle it in to taste, and then you should use a whisk. I just grabbed a fork. The recipe calls for 5 cups of kale, and then you just toss it in a large bowl and then sprinkle on your pomegranates and your pine nuts, and it is tangy and sweet and earthy with the pine nuts. Just all melds together nicely, and it's such a beautiful, simple salad. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you try it and hit the subscribe.